Hi everyone, my name is Peter Nkwisang, and this week I'll be discussing successful brands and failing brands. Uh, Two of the companies that I'll be looking at is Amazon and Sears. Amazon being the successful brand, founded in July 5th, 1994, which makes the company 25 years old. Sears, in contrast, would be the failing brand, aged 133 years and founded in 1893 by Richard Sears. Um Amazon is founded by Jeff Bezos, CEO, currently. Um, First up, Sears has been around for a while, and since it started in 1893 before the internet, uh, it was a convenience catalog for villagers and farmers to order clothing and tools. And Amazon, of course, 1994 is recently new during the internet age. People also want to get affordable tools and clothing. They can shop online. Picture is Amazon. The Prime is the subscription service, and Sears in this photo is the brick and mortar. People would have to go to the store nowadays to shop. Amazon, people shop online, see what they like, and decide what they want and go from there. What makes Amazon a success is by building the acquisitions and investment. In June 16, 2017, 2 years ago, they acquired Whole Foods, which is a supermarket. They sell foods, produce. Second, what's notable is storage acquired by Amazon, E8, which is flash storage for storing content. Content could be movies, pictures, anything you could store online and save. And third is Eero. Eero is a Wi-Fi service. So if people want to stream their movies from a storage, Amazon can also accommodate in-house because they acquired these three properties. In terms of investing, Amazon has invested in Cargojet, which is an airline that flies products to and from where Amazon would like to go to overseas, across the country. So they own Cargojet and Deliveroo. Deliveroo is a service for delivering products as well. So they want to keep everything in-house in terms of investing and acquiring companies that would be able to help them. As well as I mentioned, Whole Foods, they can branch off and deliver food as well. On the other side, we're looking at Sears, which has no acquisitions, zero, which makes them a bit of a failure. In contrast, the number of lead investors they have is just Great American Capital Partners, and they do debt financing, which means Sears has to make payments or else they will get a penalty to keep the business in operation. So they're in debt, and they only have one financer, Great American Capital. And of course, they can't branch out like Whole Foods or any kind of delivery service. So they are stagnant. In social media, Amazon has a presence that's active and lively. Amazon is retweeting IMDb, and in the picture here, I'm looking at Prime Video, Fire TV, real small here in the advertisement, Twitch, which they own, and of course, looking outwards, this could be a tablet like Amazon Fire, so then they would own that, and they own the streaming service, and they can own the tablet that you'd be watching it on. The second tweet earlier this month is by the CEO, and he's looking forward to a TV show that's coming up. So he's also promoting the service, promoting content, and that makes Amazon a continued success. Sears, on the other hand, in terms of social media, the two recent tweets are of February 6th, earlier this year, and it's old. It's about is that 7 months old. They're promoting discounts on appliances. So who the audience is an older demographic that would want to get a washing machine, maybe a parent holding a kid. And second is, winter clothes. It says February 6th here, so it was winter at that time, but it's now summer, so the tweet is outdated. And of course, 70% discount. You don't know if that code still exists because of how old the content is. Pew Research says that doing shopping online, both genders are, of course, over 70%, female 79, male 76. So we're looking at more than 3/4 of people want to shop online, and of course it's a teen demographic. Do people prefer to shop online in stores? Yes, both genders. We prefer to shop in the stores, but if it's easier, we're gonna go with the online service, as long as it's current and up to date, which Amazon is and Sears is not. And that concludes my branding assignment this week, and I appreciate everyone's attention, and see you around. Thank you for your time.